Welcome to Microsoft Publisher tutorial. Before we start, I will pin the Publisher software to the taskbar. To do that, move your cursor to the button and click the Windows icon. Type Publisher in the search box, then right-click the Publisher app to select Pin to Taskbar. Now you can see the Publisher icon show on the taskbar. Click it to open the program. If you want, you can change the color schemes. To do that, click File. Then select Account. There are three Office themes: colorful, dark gray, and white. By default the theme is colorful. Let's change it to dark gray. Let's see the white theme. Now let's take a look of the Microsoft Publisher interface. On top you have Quick Access Toolbar. It provides access to frequently used commands. You can customize Quick Access Toolbar by click the icon, then choose the command you want insert to the Quick Access Toolbar. For example, spelling, then click Add. Now it show on Quick Access Toolbar. Title bar. It displays the name of the publication. The ribbon contains a selection of easy-to-browse commands for working on a publication. The commands on the ribbon are grouped according to their functionality. When you need more space for your design area, you can click here to hide the ribbon. If you want to bring it back, just click any menu then click the Pin the Ribbon button. Page Navigation pane. It shows the pages in the currently open publication and provides options to navigate through the pages. Status bar. It provides information about the currently displayed page. Right-click it will allow you to control the information displayed on the status bar. This menu enables you to toggle the display of information such as the page number, caps lock status, object position, and object size, and so on. In this tutorial, we examine the basic components of the Publisher 2016 interface. Next we will talk about how to store personal and company information. If you think this video can help you, please support me by like this video and subscribe my channel. Please also check my channel for more videos. Thank you very much.